Hi guys, as you can see, it's snack review time. But before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified each and every time that we upload a video. Alright, music, come on! Welcome back to another snack review with the Foodie Squad. I'm Nikki, and as you can see, I don't have Aaron, but that's okay. We get to review some chocolatey goodness. So today, we got the Kit Kats and we got the M&Ms. I cannot wait to get started with this snack review. I'm hype already, and I ain't even started eating candy yet. Hold on, let me go get set up. Okay guys, today I am going to taste test 3 different flavors of M&Ms and 3 different flavors of Kit Kats. Now, I've been doing a lot of ordering through apps and having things delivered. So the M&Ms and the Kit Kats I ordered through GoPuff and straight through Walmart.com and had them delivered. A link for GoPuff to get you a little discount if you want to try GoPuff will be in the description. I suggest you go ahead and take advantage of it. They are quick and efficient. You would love it. And Walmart, they set up delivery time. So you can set up a delivery time, like if you want your things ordered between 8 and 9 a.m. in the morning or 2 to 3 in the afternoon, you can set it up that way. So both of them are wonderful. I recommend them. What do we have here? The Pretzel M&Ms, the Fudge Brownie M&Ms, the English Toffee. I'm going to say that one for last because I just know this one is going to be good. I love English Toffee. Let's get into these Pretzel M&Ms. Let's see what these taste like. Okay, look like a regular M&M. Let's see. That's what it looks like in the middle. It's a little ball of a pretzel. Like a little pretzel ball. It's good. Okay, M&M. I like the pretzel. That's good. Up next is the Fudge Brownie. Let's see what this one tastes like. Okay, let me see here. Oh, these are more chewy, like soft. These are good. I don't know if you can really see. I got lipstick on my hand. So we got a nice little soft, chewy brownie in the middle. This is good. Okay, M&M. I like this one too. Now we're going to try the English Toffee. I'm excited. Ooh, they are pretty. So it only has like 3 different colors of the M&M. Like that makes a difference. But, you know, nice little fall colors. These are good. It has a peanut in the middle. It looks like a peanut. Come on. Yeah, that's a peanut. So these got peanuts in the middle. Look, I didn't even read the thing. Child, look. English Toffee peanut. Sorry about that, M&M. English Toffee peanut. These are delicious. I mess around and eat that whole bag. These are good. I could sit here and eat this whole bag and talk to y'all. What y'all been doing today? I ain't doing nothing. Eating some English Toffee M&M. Put a peanut in here. These are good. I like these. M&M, gonna send me a discount code. I'll market these M&Ms right here. That ain't good. I like these. Let me pull it together because I got other stuff I gotta try. But these are delicious. The English Toffee Peanut M&M. They are good. And I recommend you go ahead and give me this little Ziploc bag because you're going to eat all of them. Well, look, guys. Before I go ahead on and try these Kit Kats out I got over here, get into these shout-outs. VIP Foodie Squad. Lady C Queen Foodie. The Miss Yo-Yo Show, As Told by Tina, Pink Motivation, The Triplet Family, Vegas Girl, Musisi Kazito, Nikki Antoinette, Bree Bree, VA Mukbang Queens, Gold Foodie Squad, Brown Girl Bella, Tony Hendricks Green, The Positive Pusher, Jazzy Nicole, My Virtual World, This Is Our Life, Deja TV, Idillionaire Nene, Platinum Foodie Squad, April WYD, The Billionaire Mindset, Ice Heart, Yes, It's Simone, Angel's Army, Beauty and Beast Journey, The Chit Chat Queen, Holla at Yemi, Just Vlogging Life, Grandma Faye, The Vegan Kitty, The Maxed Vegan, Terrence T. Easy. Well, that concludes our Foodie Squad members shout out. A link to their channel will be in the description below. Click on that link, subscribe to that channel, watch and like that short video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Also in the comments, put Foodie sent me. That's right, put Foodie sent me, and they will return the love, because guess what? That's what Foodie Squad does. And if you want to be a member of Foodie Squad, go ahead and hit that join button. All of our perk levels will pop up, and all you have to do is just pick what perk level you want to come in on. And come on over to the Foodie Squad. I promise to do my best to help you grow and glow in these YouTube streets. And I know y'all noticed that I ain't do the mail up. Y'all just gonna have to wait till Aaron come back, because I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do it. I'm so sorry. I hope y'all go ahead on the mail up, you know. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now we can finish with this snack review and get into these Kit Kats. We have the apple pie Kit Kat, and we have the mint and dark chocolate. We have the pumpkin pie Kit Kat. Now, I'm not a pumpkin fan. I have tried pumpkin in a lot of stuff, and I just have not grasped the taste of the pumpkin. But Kit Kat, I'm willing to try yours. So let's get into the apple pie Kit Kat first. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's see. Kit Kat. That tastes all right. Crisp wafers and apple pie flavored white cream. I like this. Okay. Kit Kat, this is kind of delicious. I noticed they got this limited edition. I hope they keep this one. This is good. I like that flavor, the apple pie flavored Kit Kat. Now let's try the mint and dark chocolate Kit Kat. Oh, guys, look, wait a minute. This one gonna be, I know this one gonna be good. I love mint and chocolate together. This is what it looks like. Kit Kat. Kit Kat. This is delicious. Y'all like mint and you like dark chocolate? Because I love dark chocolate. Get you one of these. The mint and dark chocolate, y'all need to try that. That's delicious right there. Kit Kat, you did your thing with that. That's the Kit Kat Duos. That's delicious. Okay, the last one. These are the Kit Kat. Now, these are the miniature ones, of course. I didn't realize I was ordering this big bag. These are the little pumpkin pie flavored miniatures. That's what it looked like. So far, it looked like it's good. Whew, I never had a good experience with pumpkin flavored stuff. So I'm nervous. What y'all think it's going to taste like? Ooh. You can do it, girl. You can do it. You good. You can try this. Sis, just go ahead on this bite. You can do it. Here we go. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not one of them ones where I just got to spit it out. Now, I can still chew it and eat it. It's not bad. It's just not for me. I think, and this has nothing to do with Kit Kat. Because I think if you like pumpkin pie flavor, then you would like this. I don't have a taste for pumpkin. And I've tried different things with pumpkin flavor. You know, I'm just not a pumpkin pie fan. But I think a lot of people are pumpkin pie fans. And if you like pumpkin pie, you would like these. I would recommend you getting it. You would like it. If you like pumpkin pie, you would like this. But let me tell you, out of all of these, my two favorites, my favorite one from the Kit Kat is the mint and dark chocolate, because I love mint and dark chocolate. And my favorite from the M&M is the English toffee peanut. Those are my two favorites. So those are the two that I'm going to have from Aaron. I'll let him have the rest. He can sample and eat all the rest of them all he wants. But those are the two that I'm going to have from him. Look, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, share this video. Let anyone and everyone know what the Foodie Squad does when we do snack reviews. Today, it was M&Ms and Kit Kats. That's right, we tried 3 different flavors of M&Ms and 3 different flavors of Kit Kat. Look, y'all try these out. Let us know what y'all think. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified each and every time that we upload a video. Well, look, thank you guys so much for coming in, hanging out with us. I appreciate you. I love you, and I cannot wait to see you at the next snack review. Bye.